Hi guys, how can you create this text portrait poster effect in Photoshop? First, go to File New and create a new document with a white background. I already have a background, I can skip this step. Next, go to File Place Embedded and insert your portrait image. Resize the image so it fits the canvas, then press enter. Now go to File Place Embedded again and insert your text graphic texture image. Position the text over the portrait where you want the effect to appear. Then right-click and choose Distort. Adjust the corner handles so the text fits naturally over the portrait. When you're satisfied, press enter. Now change the text layer's blend mode to darken so the text blends smoothly with the image. If you want to remove the text from certain areas, such as the eyes or other facial features, add a layer mask to the text layer. Select the brush tool with a soft round brush set to around 86 pixels. Make sure the foreground color is black. Then paint over the areas where you want to hide the text. If you're happy with the full text overlay, you can skip this step, like me. To complete the poster design, select the text tool and add a title, name, quote, or any other text you like. Adjust the font, size, and position to match your overall design. And that's it. That's how you can create a text portrait poster effect in Photoshop.